The Excel to Word document automation add-in makes it easy to update content in Word or PowerPoint documents based on analysis data and charts in Excel workbooks. The enterprise features help to create and manage Excel-based tools that are intended to be used by multiple users. These features extend the existing capabilities of the add-in specifically for multi-user environments. These features overcome the challenges of existing Excel-based tools with features like version control, access control, usage analytics, and data protection. It also adds user productivity features. Perhaps most importantly, users can conduct assessments in Excel workbooks, then create customized Word and/or PowerPoint reports directly from within Excel. The output reports could be based on a company template. Users could then modify the output reports. Cisco uses the enterprise features to empower their sales staff to rapidly create personalized Word and PowerPoint proposals from templates, resulting in shorter sales cycles and more sales opportunities. Cisco uses various key features to improve user productivity, to enhance security and manageability, and to analyze usage. Let's say you have an Excel-based tool, for example, a solution configurator, and the add-in allows you to update Word and/or PowerPoint sales documents from content in the Excel tool. And you want to be able to distribute the workbook to multiple users. In this example, we'll say that they are sales reps. And you want them to be able to securely create their own Word and PowerPoint documents based on assessments that they conduct in the Excel workbook. The enterprise version of the add-in allows you to do three things. Number one, it helps you to prepare the workbook for deployment to your users with features that help you to protect the workbook and to create report templates. Number two, it helps you to improve user productivity by ensuring that users use current versions of the tools and data, as well as the ability to easily create and update Word and/or PowerPoint reports from within Excel. And number three, it helps to manage the workbooks and the templates and to monitor usage with features such as access control, version control, data updating, and usage analytics. It can also allow you to deploy and manage multiple workbooks that are used by multiple users. This example shows a sales proposal generation tool and a financial consolidation tool that are managed by an administrator. This example shows business analysis and customer analysis workbooks that are being managed by individual users. This solution provides an ideal user experience. It can be used on all major platforms, including Windows, Macs, and Office Online. It's easy to get started. There's no software to install. Users simply sign into the existing Excel to Word document automation add-in. And it's easy to use. Most users are already very familiar with Microsoft Office. With Auto Open, when a user opens a designated workbook, the add-in opens with it. The add-in automatically authenticates the user if they have previously signed in. This makes it very easy for users to get started. Users can do things like restore default values and formulas, and perhaps most importantly, create reports. And after they create a report, they can continue to update it using the standard add-in capabilities. They can update the reports after they make changes to either their Excel workbook or the output report itself. This combination enables a very powerful and flexible document automation platform. I've shown a few of the various features included in the enterprise version. Others are described on our website. If a user signs in as a designated administrator, the Admin tab will be available. This allows the administrator to manage features. For example, the administrator can enable features such as Auto Open, Restore Defaults, and Workbook Protection. They can also manage workbooks and workbook policies, and modify version control settings. It also allows the administrator to manage report templates and upload new templates. There are two subscription options. Usage-based and fixed. Both are typically lower cost than individual subscriptions. They're very simple to start and administer. You do not need to provide a list of users, and users are not tied to specific subscription tiers, and they're automatically optimized for you. Contact us to receive pricing and contract details. It's very easy to start using the 30-day free trial. Simply register, then let us know that you're interested in the enterprise trial. All registered users with your business domain will automatically get access. There's no user limit in the trial, and we'll provide free support to qualified businesses. Contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.